Hi, I'm Nick Weiss. I am the owner, founder, and supervising attorney at Weiss Law. I want to talk about wills. Let's talk about some best practices in your wills. First of all, I get a will. Many times, the default rules, the default statute for Ohio, don't actually do what you want them to do. We have case after case after case where someone thought, well, I'm married. Everything's going to go to my wife anyway. It doesn't matter. I just won't need a will. And then that doesn't happen. They miss something. Something gets mischaracterized. Something gets misallocated. And the thing that they wanted to happen doesn't happen. So even in what look like relatively simple scenarios, you're going to want a will, at least to tell the court that, yes, you're absolutely sure that this is what you want. Some common things that you want in that will. First of all, if you trust your executor, you're going to want that person, who is administering your estate, the executor, you don't want to have them pay a bond. You don't want them to have to get insurance in order to do things under your will. Lots of courts around here, including where we are here in Cuyahoga County, will require that. You also want your executor, your administrator, to be able to sell real estate. Oftentimes, in an estate, the house that you owned is the most valuable asset there. And if you don't have a consent in there saying the executor is allowed to sell real estate, you have to ask the court for permission. They have to go in and say, court, I would like to sell this property. They have to put all the other beneficiaries or potential beneficiaries on notice. They either have to get their consent, which can be time consuming, or sometimes even sue in order for the right to sell the property. Avoid that. Tell them it's fine. They can just sell the property. You want them to be able to access all accounts, be able to have that power to get access to everything. You want to nominate someone in the will who is going to be guardian of your kids. Oftentimes that's your spouse, but if your spouse predisposes you, then you're going to need someone else. And a nomination of guardianship in the will creates a presumption to the court that, yes, this is who you want to take over to take care of your kids. Lots of other things that you can put in there to make things a little bit easier for the people that survive you when you pass. But these are some just bare bones things that if you're going to make a will, these kind of things have to be in it. If you have any other questions about what needs to be in a will, feel free, give our office a call.